Today we are continuing with our simple sentence series using one word that can be used in different ways. So join me in class today as we use the word ONYE to make short, simple sentences that has different meanings. Let's go to class right away. I am the Igbo tutor, ONYE Kuzibo. You're welcome to our Igbo class today. We are continuing in this series that is meant to capture short phrases and sentences using unique words that appear in all these phrases. And today we are looking at the word ONYE, ONYE meaning person, okay? Let's look at 7 phrases that has ONYE in them and has different meanings attached to each of them. We will proceed to make simple sentences with each of them to capture their usage. So let's proceed now. Number 1 is ONYE. Remember to let the A sound come out. That gives it a unique meaning. ONYE. This means this person. ONYE. We'll move to number 2. Number 2 is ONYE aho. ONYE aho meaning that person. ONYE aho. We go to number 3. Number 3 is ONYE ozo. ONYE ozo meaning another person. All right. And then we move on to number 4, meaning ONYE obula. ONYE obula meaning any person or anybody. Any person or anybody. Number 5 is ONYE ole. ONYE ole meaning which person. It can also mean who. Okay. ONYE ole. All right. Let's go to number 6. Otu onye. We don't say onye otu. It's otu onye, meaning one person, a person. Okay. Otu onye. And we go to number 7. Onwei onye. Some will say odei onye or onwei onye, as the case may be. No person or nobody. Let's proceed to make simple sentences using each of these phrases to capture their proper usage in sentences. Let's go. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Nke mbụ, ya bụ number 1. Nke mbụ, onye a. Onye a meaning this person. This person. All right, let's make a simple sentence with this. Nye ya onye a. Nye ya onye a meaning give it to this person. Okay, give it this person or give it to this person. Onye, this person. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Nke abụọ, meaning number 2 is onye ahụ. Onye ahụ meaning that person. That person. Onye ahụ. We make a simple sentence with this. Achọghị m onye ahụ. Achọghị m onye ahụ. If you are used to our channel, you already know that we use colors to differentiate the meaning of each word in a sentence. With that, we equip you with enough knowledge to take those words individually as you know their meaning and make other sentences or other phrases that suits you. So you have a double advantage when you watch our videos. Word meaning, phrase meaning, sentence meanings. So let's go on. Achọghị m onye ahụ. What does this mean? I don't want that person. I don't want that person. Achọghị m onye ahụ. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Nke atọ, number 3. We have onye ọzọ. Onye ọzọ meaning another person. Another person. What does this mean? Let's have a simple sentence with this. Biko kpọọ onye ọzọ. Biko kpọọ onye ọzọ. What does this mean? It means please call another person. Please call another person. I'm done with this person. I need to see another person. Ngwa ka anyị gaa na nke anọ. Nke anọ, number 4. Onye ọbụla. Onye ọbụla. Any person. This can also mean anybody or whoever. Okay? Onye ọbụla. Any person. Let's make our sentence now. Nye ya onye ọbụla ị hụrụ. Nye ya onye ọbụla ị hụrụ. Let's go. Meaning, give it to Any person, anybody you see, give it to any person you see. Nye ya onye ọbụla ị hụrụ. Okay, you can match the colors for the meaning. Let's go. Kaigani. And you are aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you material to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline. These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson. Nke ise ọ bụ gịnị? Nke ise bụ onye ole. Onye ole meaning which person. Which person. Okay, when we have a choice between 2 or 3 people, we don't know who exactly we want to deal with. We say onye ole. Let's make a sentence with this. Onye ole mere ihe a. Onye ole mere ihe a. We can also say ọ bụ onye mere ihe a. All right. Let's look at the meaning of this. Which person did this? We use who or onye mere ihe a. Look at the sound. It changes. This one is onye ole. Which person? But when you want to use only this one, it sounds onye mere ihe a. But we use this mostly when we don't know the person. We have no choice between 2 or 3 persons. We don't know. We just say onye mere ihe a. But when you have 2 or 3 persons, you want to look at them, either this or this, you use onye ole among many. Onye ole mere ihe a. Among you people who did it, which person did this? All right? I hope that is clear enough. Anyị gaa na nke isii. Nke isii bụ otu onye. Otu onye, one person or a person. Okay? Have a sentence now. Ahụghị m otu onye. Ahụghị m otu onye. This can also be used for anybody or someone. All right? Ahụghị m otu onye. I didn't see one person. I didn't see one person or someone. Sometimes it's used also for that. Ahụghị m otu onye. Okay? I didn't see one person. But if you didn't see anybody at all, you can also say, I didn't see someone. Ahụghị m otu onye. Okay? Let's go on to number 7. Kasa. Kasa ọ bụ gịnị? Onweghị onye. Onweghị onye, which means no person. No person or nobody. Onweghị onye. Look at the simple sentence here now. Onweghị onye ghọtara ya. Onweghị onye ghọtara ya. This is not gọtara. Some will say gọtara ya or ghọtara ya. No, it's gh. Sounds like you're saying ye in you. This is GH. It's one alphabet in Igbo. Together is pronounced as ye. So this is ghọtara ya. Onweghị onye ghọtara ya. Let's look at the meaning. Nobody understands it. Nobody understands it. Thank you for watching and listening and learning with us. We appreciate your time. We do hope you are going to look out for the other videos in this series in our homepage. Watch them. There are a lot of them, about 4 or 5 of them. You're going to get to up to 7. So watch each and every one of them. I'm very sure that by the time you finish doing that, you will be able to make a lot of sentences which are simple and easy to understand. Do that today and you'll be glad you did. See you in the next video. Kemesia.